2022 has been a violent period for the Aave convention up to this point. The decentralized money market lost nearly $100 billion in all-out esteem lock during the 2022 summer crypto crash. In any case, the convention's local Aave token began to give indications of recuperation in October as its decentralized independent association plans to send off its own stablecoin under the ticker GHO. However, the new breakdown of the FTX digital money trade has ended this vertical direction, and Aave was down 31% throughout the last month at the hour of composing. In this video, we examine the Aave convention, plunge profound into the Aave token value activity, and read experts' discourse in a bid to draft a conceivable Aave cost expectation during the current year and then some. The Aave convention. Aave is a cryptographic money liquidity market convention. Clients can take part as contributors or borrowers. Clients can store their digital money tokens to give liquidity to the market and acquire revenue on them. Aave clients can likewise get stablecoins and digital forms of money without Know Your Client prerequisites or FICO assessment. Borrowers need to store their digital currency resources as insurance. The greatest accessible sum that an individual can get will rely upon factors, for example, accessible liquidity and credit to esteem proportion. Aave, alongside any semblance of Uniswap, Compound, and Bend, is viewed as one of Ethereum's blue-chip DeFi conventions. Aave is additionally conveyed on Layer 1 organization Torrential Slide and Ethereum's Layer 2 convention Polygon. As per Lama, the Aave convention had the third most noteworthy TVL contrasted with different conventions starting around the 5th of September 2022. What is Aave coin? Aave token is the administration token for the multi-chain DeFi convention Aave. Aave token holders have the ability to decide on progress proposition for Aave, like posting new resources on the stage. Token holders can stake their Aave coins and acquire marking prizes and charges from the convention. As per Aave, locked Aave tokens will be utilized as a relief device in case of a shortfall in liquidity in the Aave convention. In the occurrence of a setback occasion, a piece of the locked Aave are unloaded available to be sold against the resources expected to moderate the happened shortage, said Aave. In September 2017, Aave, which was then known as ETH Lend, raised about $600,000 pre-deal from its symbolic deal. This was trailed by a $16.20 beginning coin offering, where 1 billion loan tokens were sold. The loan cryptographic money was switched over completely to Aave tokens at the pace of 100 loan to 1 Aave, as ETHLend rebranded to Aave. Aave's greatest stock is covered at 16 million tokens. Starting around the 21st of November, the circling supply of Aave coins remains at more than 14 million, information from CoinMarketCap showed. Aave cost investigation, Aave graph today. At the hour of composing, the 21st of November 2022, Aave was the 50th biggest cryptographic money with a market capitalization of nearly $800 M. In the wake of arriving at a high of 51 cents on its day for kickoff, the 4th of October 2020, Aave saw a consistent move all through the remainder of the year. It then encountered a huge breakout in the principal quarter of 2021, soaring to its ongoing all-time high of $666.86 on the 18th of May 2021. From that point forward, Aave has been on a descending direction and is over 80% beneath its unequaled high. At the hour of composing on the 21st of November 2022, Aave was exchanging at $56.98, down 78% YTD. Ongoing news: Aave responds to ETH Blend and FTX's destruction. As Ethereum relocated to a proof-of-stake agreement component this month, Aave's DAO passed a proposition to keep running on the overhauled blockchain. It likewise made a proposition not to carry out any Ethereum forks from different gatherings that could result from the union, including a possible fork to its old evidence of work agreement instrument. An administration post said, "There is general agreement from manufacturers associated with the convention's improvement that it is really difficult to support a feasible Aave market on any Ethereum fork running an elective agreement." The proposition was passed by a critical larger part of close to 100% on the 26th of August, conveying the proposition's central goal of sending a reasonable sign to the DeFi environment about where it remains as for the Ethereum Converge as the 5th biggest DeFi application on the blockchain. In the interim, it has given an update to its local area on the advancement of GHO, Aave's arranged stablecoin. Aave uncovered that the GHO testnet will send off before very long. The update said, with the GHO specialized paper, first review, and passageways being worked on, the Aave organizations are presently prepared to try different things with the first testnet sending. However, Aave's new cost fall follows a more extensive decrease in the crypto markets. The liquidation of incorporated cryptographic money trade FTX has prompted sell strain all through the business. While Aave had no openness to FTX, its token has dropped by 31% in the previous month and the convention's TVL has fallen by 9% in the beyond 7 days. As per DEFI Llama, Aave cost expectation focuses for 2022, 2025, and 2030, as indicated by a momentary Aave expectation from starting around the 21st of November 2022. The worth of the token could drop to $39.94 by the 21st of December. CoinCodex added that specialized pointers showed current opinion was negative, while the trepidation and insatiability record designated intense apprehension. The Aave crypto cost expectation firm anticipated that Aave's worth should have plunged to $5.27 in a year's time. Its Aave cost expectation for 2025 expected it have dropped to the $3 mark by the start of the year. As per Aave USD gauge, it could arrive at a normal of $64.53 before the current year's over. Yet, the site's Aave cost expectation for 2030 was considerably more hopeful, saying it could rocket to $1,186 by that point. As per Aave cost expectation for 2023, the token could exchange at a typical cost of $139.41. Its Aave coin cost expectation recommends the token could move to $254.28 in 2025 and $791.80 in 2030. While searching for Aave cost expectations, remember that investigators in calculation-based Aave crypto value expectations can be off base. Their assumptions depend on principal and specialized investigations of the cryptographic money's previous exhibition, which offers no assurance of future outcomes. Doing your own research is fundamental. Continuously recollect that your choice to exchange relies upon your mentality to risk, your aptitude on the lookout, and your venture portfolio spread. You ought to never exchange cash that you can't bear to lose. Aave is a vigorous DEFI convention that is positioned number 10th in the rundown of top DEFI tokens by market capitalization, as per CoinMarketCap starting around the 21st of November 2022. Nonetheless, the token has not shown gains YTD and is down 31% in the previous month. Whether the Aave token is ideal for your speculation portfolio relies upon your conditions and chance resistance. You want to gauge the degree of chance you are prepared to take and direct an intensive investigation of the Aave digital currency possibilities. Aave has been stuck in a drawn-out negative pattern, alongside the more extensive DEFI industry. This has prompted clashing figures, including negative projections from Wallet Investor and a bullish one from Digital Coin Price. Whether you want to put resources into Aave is an inquiry that you should respond to for yourself. Before you do as such, notwithstanding, you should lead your own exploration. Never put away more cash than you can bear to lose, in light of the fact that costs can go down as well as up. The Aave future cost forecast from Wallet Investor was negative starting around the 21st of November 2022, projecting that it will ultimately fall beneath $10. In the meantime, price prediction expected the Aave digital money could pass $1,000 in the following 10 years. In unstable digital money markets, it is critical to do your own examination on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your venture portfolio. Whether Aave is a reasonable venture for you relies upon your gamble resilience and the amount you expect to contribute, among different elements. Remember that previous